Dear junior JEE students, we are discussing the chapter trigonometry. Until exercise 6b, we have discussed. Now let us going to discuss about exercise 6c. First one, simplify the following. Simplify the following. In first round, 5 sums are there. First one, cos 100 degrees into cos 40 degrees plus sin 100 degrees into sin 40 degrees. Use the formula cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is equal to cos of A minus B. So here A is equal to 100 and B is equal to 40. You can understand this one as cos 100 degrees minus 40 degrees. That is cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 value is 1 by 2. Second one, cot 55 degrees. Cot 55 degrees into cot 35 minus 1 by cot 55 plus cot 35. Cot 55 plus cot 35. Use the formula cot B cot A minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. These are compound angles formula cot of A plus B. So that is equal to here A is equal to 55 and B is equal to 35. So cot 55 plus 35. So cot 90. Cot 90 value 0. Now third one, tan pi by 4 plus theta into tan pi by 4 minus theta. Tan pi by 4 plus theta into tan pi by 4 minus theta. A formula we discussed which is useful for object also. If A plus B is equal to 90 degrees, then tan A into tan B is equal to 1. Tan A into tan B and cot A into cot B also is equal to 1. Here A means pi by 4 plus theta. Pi by 4 meaning 45. B means pi by 4 minus theta. So A plus B is equal to pi by 4 plus theta plus pi by 4 minus theta. This one get cancelled. So A plus B is equal to pi by 4 plus pi by 4. 2 pi by 4 it is pi by 2. So it is 90. That implies tan A into tan B concept. So tan pi by 4 plus theta into tan pi by 4 minus theta is equal to 1. Fourth one, tan 75 plus cot 75. This is IMP objective bit also. You need to remember this one as a formula. Tan 75 plus cot 75. Tan 75 is nothing but cot 15 and cot 75 is nothing but tan 15. We have discussed the values. So tan 75 means cot 15, the value is 2 plus root 3. and cot 75 is nothing but tan 50, it is 2 minus root 3. Root 3, root 3 get cancelled, that is simply 4. Fifth question, sin 1140, sin 1140 cos 390 minus cos 780 into sin 750. Simplify the following. Sin, this can be written as 1080 plus 60 degrees into cos, this is 360 plus 30 degrees minus cos, this is 720 plus 60 degrees into sin 720 plus 30 degrees. What is the 720 and the 1080 meaning? It is nothing but multiples of 360. So the multiple of 360 is nothing but 0. So 0 plus 60, you can write here, this is sin 60 into cos 30. Sin 60 into cos 30 minus cos 60 into sin 30. Remember the formula, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B formula, sin of A minus B. So that is equal to sin of 60 degrees plus 30 degrees. Minus 30 degrees. So it is sin 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees value is 1 by 2. Second question, first one, express root 3 cos 25, root 3 into cos 25 degrees plus sin 25 degrees. Root 3 into cos 25 plus sin 25 by 2 as a sin of angle. A sin of an angle, that is equal to, distribute the two separate terms, root 3 by 2 cos 25 and 1 by 2 into sin 25. So that is equal to, what is the, he is asking about sin angle. So sin A cos B plus cos A sin B model, we need to take it. So sin 60 you write here, sin 60 into cos 25 plus this is cos 60 into sin 25. Sin 60 into cos 25 plus cos 60 into sin 25. This is sin of 60 plus 25. Sin of 60 plus 25. So sin, because sin A cos B plus cos A sin B concept, sin of A plus B formula. So sin, this is 85 degrees. Page number 258. Second one, cos theta minus sin theta as a cosine angle. In this second one, cos theta minus sin theta expressed as cosine angle. Cosine means cos. You better to multiply and divide with root 2. Root 2 into 1 by root 2 into cos theta plus of minus 1 by root 2 into sin theta. Why you are multiplying divide with root 2 meaning is, if any number is in the form of a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to c, or a sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to c, or simply a cos theta plus b sin theta or a sin theta plus b cos theta, then you need to multiply and divide with root of a square plus b square. Here it is a rule you will be learning in straight line chapter in first inter. It is called as equation of straight line in normal form, and in trigonometric equation is there in next chapter. So now better to try to understand as a formula. Here x a is equal to 1, a cos theta plus b sin theta model, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 1. Root of a square plus b square meaning root of 1 square plus of minus 1 whole square. Root of 1 plus 1 becomes root 2. So here you can understand multiply and divide. Root and root will be getting cancelled, but you will be getting another number in the form of cosine or sine angle. That is equal to root 2 into, now you can write this is cos theta into, instead of 1 by root 2 you can write cos pi by 4. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Whether it is 45 or pi by 4, any model you can write, and this is sin theta into sin pi by 4. Now you can understand the formula of cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Formula of cos a cos b minus sin a sin b is cos of a plus b. So that is equal to here root 2 into cos a cos b minus sin a sin b formula, cos of a plus b. This is theta plus pi by 4. Next, this is important question. Tan theta in terms of tan alpha. Third one, express tan theta. Tan theta in terms of tan alpha, if sin theta plus alpha is equal to cos theta plus alpha. In terms of tan alpha, if given the condition that sin of theta plus alpha is equal to cos of theta plus alpha. Sin of theta plus alpha is equal to cos of theta plus alpha. Here you can understand one thing, that sin and cos both functions are, both trigonometric ratios are equal at which angle? You can understand that sin 45 equal to 1 by root 2 and cos 45 equal to 1 by root 2. You need to remember the value of the sin 45 and cos 45. So now you can understand, it depends upon that one. Right here theta plus alpha is equal to 45. That implies theta is equal to 45 means pi by 4, and writing pi by 4 minus alpha. Now apply tan both sides. Apply tan both sides. That implies right here tan theta is equal to tan of pi by 4 minus alpha. That implies tan theta is equal to, write the formula tan of a minus b, which is tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. So tan pi by 4 minus tan alpha whole by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan alpha. Therefore tan theta is equal to, tan 45 means 1, this is 1 minus tan alpha by 1 plus tan alpha. He is asking that express tan theta in terms of tan alpha. This is tan theta in terms of tan alpha. We got 1 minus tan alpha by 1 plus tan alpha. Third question, page number 258. Third question, if tan theta is equal to, if tan theta is equal to cos 11 degrees plus sin 11 degrees whole by cos 11 degrees minus sin 11 degrees, and theta is in the third quadrant, Theta is in the third quadrant. So find theta. Theta is in third quadrant. So find theta. Generally, tan A minus, here tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B concept. Divide by cos 11 degrees to numerator comma denominator. That implies tan theta is equal to cos 11 by cos 11. Cos 11 by cos 11 degrees plus sin 11 degrees by cos 11 degrees whole by cos 11 by cos 11, cos 11 degrees by cos 11 minus sin 11 degrees by cos 11 degrees. That implies tan theta is equal to, this is 1 plus tan 11 degrees by 1 minus tan 11 degrees. Just I rubber the sum, tan theta is equal to 1 plus tan alpha by 1 minus tan alpha is of the form tan of 45 plus alpha. So tan 45 plus alpha here. So tan pi by 4 plus alpha becomes here tan 45 plus 11. That can be written as tan theta is equal to tan 56. Tan 56. If it is in Q1, tan 56, the theta is 56 is okay. But he is deciding here theta is in third quadrant. Even though tan theta is equal to plus value, we know that the tan theta is positive in first quadrant and third quadrant itself. He is discussing with that with us it is in third quadrant. So tan 180 plus theta we can write. Tan, since I am writing here, since tan 180 plus theta is equal to tan theta. Tan 180 plus theta is equal to tan theta, and theta belongs to Q3. That implies you can understand here. Now tan theta is equal to, you can write tan of 180 plus 56 also. 180 degrees plus 56. So here also you can write, here also you can write. Here if you write also no problem, simply tan theta, there is no change in value. Here if you need to change value in degrees, here you should write tan 180 plus 50. So that implies tan theta is equal to tan 236 degrees. Tan 236 degrees. Therefore, the value of theta is equal to 236. Now third Roman second question. If 0 comma a less 0 degrees less than a comma b less than 90 degrees. Third Roman second one. These are Roman number 1 questions. Roman number 1, then third one in this second one. If 0 degrees less than a comma b comma less than 90 degrees, such that cos a is equal to 5 by 30, 5 by 30, comma sin b is equal to 4 by 5, 4 by 5. Find the value of sin of a minus b. Find the value of sin of a minus b. Since 0 comma 0 less than a less than b less than 90 degrees, therefore a belongs to Q1 comma b belongs to Q1. So a comma b are in first quadrants because between 0 and 90. So according to all similarity becomes all are positive. So now cos a is given as 5 by 13. Take a triangle here. Cos means adjacent side by hypotenuse. This you know 12 diagram writing. Depends upon this one. You take sin A is equal to 12 by 13. Here sin B you take. Sin B is equal to 4 by 5. Of course it is positive. Draw a triangle, sine means opposite by hypotenuse. Plenty of times you have done 3, 4, 5. These are the sides of right angle triangle, and 5, 12, 13 are sides of right angle triangle. Direct diagonal. Now cos B you can write. Cos B is equal to 3 by 5. Now you need to calculate sine of A minus B. The formula of sine of A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So that is equal to the value of sin A here, 12 by 13. 12 by 13 into cos B value 5 by 13. Cos B, no, cos B 3 by 5. Cos B value 3 by 5 minus cos A value 5 by 13 into sin B value 4 by 5. So here 12 3s are 36. 36 minus 5 4s are 20 whole by 13 5s are 65. That is equal to 16 by 65 is the value of sin of A minus B. 16 by 65. Now, third question. In this third question. In this third question is, what is the value of tan 20 degrees plus tan 40 degrees plus root 3 into tan 20 into tan 40. Tan 20 plus tan 40 plus root 3 into tan 20 tan 40. Now consider, by observing here, 20 degrees plus 40 degrees becomes 60 degrees. So consider tan 60 and write the form of tan 20 plus 40, tan A plus tan B apply. Consider tan 60 degrees you write. Same questions you will face in objective level 1 students. So here tan 60 is equal to tan of 20 plus 40. Tan of 20 plus 40, apply the formula tan A plus tan B is equal to, here tan 20 plus tan 40 by 1 minus tan 20 into tan 40. Tan 20 plus tan 40 is equal to, the value of tan 60 is root 3 by 1. Here take cross multiplication, root 3 into 1 minus tan 20 degrees into tan 40 degrees is equal to tan 20 degrees plus tan 40 degrees. Now this multiply these two terms, root 3 minus root 3 into tan 20 degrees into tan 40 degrees is equal to tan 20 degrees plus tan 40 degrees. Tan 40 degrees. That implies this minus taken this side, you can write this one as tan 20 degrees plus tan 40 degrees plus this minus went to this side, it becomes plus. So root 3 tan 20 into tan 40 degrees is equal to, simply we left root 3. We got the value is root 3. Root 3 is the value. Now third one, fourth question, tan 56. Tan 56 minus tan 11, these are 2 marks sums and logical sums. Tan 56 minus tan 11 minus tan 56 into tan 11 degrees. What is the value? Consider here minus is there. You can observe that. Consider here tan 45. Write here tan 45 as 56 minus 11. That implies the value of tan 45 is 1, and here apply the formula tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. So tan 56 minus tan 11 by 1 plus tan 56 into tan 11. 1 plus tan 56 into tan 11 degrees. By 1, you take a cross multiplication, that implies 1 plus tan 56 into tan 11. 1 plus tan 56 into tan 11 degrees is equal to tan 50 degrees minus tan 11 degrees. That implies tan 56 minus tan 11 degrees minus tan 56 degrees into tan 11 is equal to 1. Simply 1 is the value. Here he is discussing find the value is the question. Find the value of this. Now fifth one, evaluate sigma sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b whole by cos square a into cos square b. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b whole by cos square a into cos square b. You see the question, if none of cos a, cos b, cos c is 0. Students, if you don't have textbooks, just come to the college and ask the textbooks. You need to buy mathematics 1 year textbook. Of course, not only mathematics, every IB academic textbooks you need to buy. Then only you can understand this class. Already I have started the mathematics 1 year chapter. Of course, in those days, while I was handling bridge course in geometry, 1 day I already started. Now 1 year is going every day. So hereafter there is no bridge course. Simply chapters will be there. So after completion of this chapter, I will enter into objective also. So you need to get the material from our college. Every student has to attend our institution and get the material. Then only you can understand the classes. Here sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Formula is said that sin a plus b into sin a minus b formula sin square b minus sin square a minus sin square b whole by cos square a into cos square b. Expand here sigma. This is sigma means for full given sigma. This is, you can understand here, sin square b by cos square. Otherwise cos square b minus cos square a. Sin square b minus sin square a, or cos square b minus cos square a. So right here that formula also I said, I think 1 minus cos square a minus 1 plus cos square b, you write 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Now you can get cos square b minus cos square a. So this is cos square a into cos square b denominator, that is equal to sigma, you write first of all plus, you write, and later minus cos square b minus cos square a. Denominator cos square a into cos square b. Sigma, now you write cos square a by, distribute the denominator, cos square a by cos square a into cos square b minus sigma, put sigma here separately, sigma cos square b, this is cos square b, cos square a by cos square a into cos square b. Cos square a get cancelled, cos square get cancelled. That is equal to 1 by cos square becomes secant square. So secant square a minus, this is 1 by cos square b becomes secant square b. Now sigma meaning summation. We are discussing about trigonometry. So trigonometry means 3. We are having only 3 angles. If you write first A, next B, next C. If you write first B, next C, next A. So now expand the sigma secant square A plus secant square B plus secant square C minus. If minus is there, directly you can write minus for everything. Secant square B later secant square C minus secant square A. So here secant square B minus secant square C, like this we have written. Secant square A plus and minus get cancelled. Secant square B plus and minus get cancelled. Secant square C plus and minus get cancelled. So its answer is 0. If you are getting the same question in objective, simply the shortcut is put A is equal to B. So A is equal to 0 or B is equal to A is equal to B or A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. Here only you will get the answer. So sin 0 will become 0, sigma 0 is 0. Directly you can say an objective. Now, Roman number 3, fourth question. In Roman number 1, in general number 3, fourth question. Find the value of evaluate. Evaluate means find the value. Sigma sine of C minus A. Sigma sine of C minus A by sin C sin A. Sigma sine of C minus A. Sin C sin A. Now sigma into expand this one. Sin C cos A minus cos C sin A. Whole by sin C sin A. Whole by sin C sin A. That is equal to sigma sin C cos A by separate like this. Sin C sin A minus sigma, this is cos C sin A by sin C sin A. Here sin A sin A get cancelled, sin C get cancelled. Here cos A by sin A becomes cot A minus cos C by sin C becomes cot C. Sigma cot A becomes cot A plus cot B plus cot C, and sigma cot C becomes, here minus is there, then expand minus here, minus cot C minus cot A minus cot B. Only 3 letters, students, you expand. C next A next B, like that. A next A, B next C, like that. Cot A minus cot A, cot B minus cot B, cot C minus cot C get cancelled, got cancelled. So the answer is 0. Now we have completed Roman number 3, page number 258, exercise 6C sums. Let us going to discuss about Roman number 1 only, Roman number 4, 1 general number 4 sums are there. Let us going to discuss in next class.